to my very messy kitchen. Hi guys, what's up? It's Kat and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through my everyday kind of like quick cleanup routine for my kitchen. Whether I did clean it the night before or I didn't, somehow between me and when Tim sleeps over, the two of us getting ready in the morning, this kitchen always just turns into another disaster before I leave for work. So I like to ensure that it's nice and clean before I get home. I wanted to point out, I know I'm wearing white jeans and a lot of y'all are probably gonna be like, wow Kat, that's risky. You're wearing white jeans to clean your kitchen, and I know, but realistically, when I do this quick little cleanup, I'm wearing my outfit that I'm gonna wear to work, and that's this today. So this is what we're cleaning and we're gonna be super careful. If you are new here, like I said, my name is Kat. I make a ton of home and lifestyle videos. I recently moved into this condo. This is real time. It's currently 7:33 in the morning and we're about to clean up this kitchen real quick before I leave for work. So first things first, gotta show y'all what I'm working with. This is what my kitchen looks like at the moment. I'll be honest with you, it's a little bit messier than normal, but on average, I would say I do have to spend 5 to 10 minutes cleaning if I want my kitchen and kind of space to be cleaned up before I leave for work. So this is about what it normally looks like. And then as you can see, typically the first thing I'll do is unload the dishwasher if I ran it the night before. That way I can then go ahead and reload it with all of the dirty dishes. I just find that dishes are typically what make the kitchen look the messiest. So if you can tackle that first and get that out of the way, the rest of the space is going to seem way more manageable. Okay, so next I'm going ahead and loading up the dishwasher with all of the dirty dishes. Now, quick little side note, as you can see here, I am scrubbing down the bowls before I put them in the dishwasher, and that's just because they are going to be sitting there all day, because I'm not going to run the dishwasher with 2 dishes in there. But my stepdad was telling me how if you're going to be running the dishwasher immediately after you put the dishes in, it's actually better to leave a little bit of the food or whatever's on that dish on it when you put it in the dishwasher, because the soap will actually cling to the food when the dishwasher is running, and so it gets a little bit better of a clean. And when it comes to my stovetop, I don't like to have a bunch of pots and pans up there just because I feel like it looks cluttered. So those are all clean and I'm just sticking them into the cabinet. And then the next step is just to clear off everything else on your countertop. Make sure you're putting everything back in its place instead of just sticking it in a cabinet or a drawer where, you're like, oh, I'll deal with it later. No, deal with it now. And if you're really in a rush and you don't have time to put everything back in its place or time to think about where everything goes, then what I suggest is just to take everything and put it in a pile on the middle of your counter. That way, at least when you get home, you'll remember okay, I have to take care of this, because if you stuff it in a drawer or a cabinet, you'll most likely forget about it. So typically I like to dust all of the extra food, cow crumbs, whatever into the sink, and then after that is done, I'll go ahead and scrub down the sink. I like to just put a little bit of dish soap on my scrubber and really scrub it up, make sure it's super duper clean, it smells nice, and I feel like this is a small thing, it takes 2 seconds, but it really does make a big difference. And then as for all the food that I had stuffed down there, I do have a garbage disposal, so I'll turn that on, make sure that's all set. And then when it comes to spills and crumbs all over the counter, I do like to use a wet paper towel still, just because I feel like the paper towel absorbs the mess a lot faster and a lot better. But then when it comes to actually wiping down my whole countertop, I saw y'all's comments and I know I should not be using paper towels for that. So I did switch over to a reusable cloth. And another quick pointer, which I actually didn't do for the longest time, but when I thought about it, I'm like, okay, wow, that's really important. And that's after you spray your multi-surface cleaner or whatever you're using all over your countertops, is to let it sit for a minute or two, just so that the liquid in the cleaner can kind of absorb any bacteria or dirt, or not really dirt, but whatever's on your countertop, it can really get a deep clean, and then go ahead and wipe it all down. Then I did the exact same thing on this side, sprayed it down, wiped it, and then of course had to light my candle. Lavender is like my favorite scent for the springtime. I don't know what it is, but it just makes me so happy. And then my kitchen was totally clean. Yay, it looks so clean now. I'm so happy. See, and I always feel so much better after I clean it. If you do have your own kitchen, I hope this motivates you to go clean it if it's not clean already. And if it is clean already, then maybe next time it gets messy. I hope it's motivating you to take care of that. And if you don't have your own kitchen and you live with your family still, I mean, I guess it's still your own kitchen, but like, you know, you still live with your family, I motivate you to go be like, hey mom, hey dad, I'm gonna clean the kitchen for you today. I guarantee you they'll be happy. If you watch until this part, comment lemon soap. Or just lemon. Well, you choose lemon or lemon soap. Comment one of the two. I love this lemon soap. And with all that being said, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.